The SML extension identifies a Super Mario Land Game ROM file containing game data from the Nintendo Game Boy title. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play or manage these classic Game Boy ROM files. Here's a professional insight. For those SML files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. SML files are Game Boy ROM image files specifically associated with Super Mario Land, containing the complete game program data from the original Nintendo Game Boy cartridge. They are used with Game Boy emulators for playing the classic platforming game on modern devices. Game Boy SML ROM files use the standard GB ROM format, containing Z80-compatible CPU program code, tile graphics, sound data, and game logic in a raw binary image. They include the Nintendo logo header, mapper type, and ROM size information in the cartridge header. The proper file association links SML directly to the VisualBoyAdvance-M solution by the VBA-M team. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows cannot preview these elements, so specialized utilities are needed. Your essential first step is the Open With action. Right-click the SML file and select Open With. If VisualBoyAdvance-M is installed, select it. If not, choose another program. Every app deserves a chance to open the file. When a SML file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We're going to solve this with a universal tool, but first, what are the technical factors causing this SML error to appear? First, playing the game. Install a Game Boy emulator such as mGBA, BGB, or SameBoy. Open the SML file through the emulators file, then open ROM menu. Configure controller mappings in the emulator settings for proper gameplay. The emulator faithfully reproduces the original Game Boy hardware. Next, managing save data. Game Boy emulators create SAV files alongside ROM files for battery-backed save data. Configure your emulator's save directory. Backup SAV files separately from ROMs to preserve game progress. Save states provide additional quick save capability beyond in-game saves. Finally, legal considerations. ROM files should only be used with games you legally own. Dumping ROMs from cartridges you own using tools like the GB operator is the legal way to obtain ROM files. Support game preservation through legal channels and official re-releases on modern platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.